Take a coffee filter, really doesn't matter what size. You can fold them in half like this if you want, or you could trace them. I guess I should trace. You can cut any shape you'd like. And this is for a large one. So you have a flower there. So then if you want a leaf, you can just draw something out. Create your own kind. You get all sorts of shapes for your flowers. And there's your leaf. I want to work on newspaper because it does get kind of messy. And I'm using markers, but you can use food coloring. You can use Sharpies don't work as well. You could use liquid watercolors. And I do both sides because I feel like once you wet it, the colors can fade a little bit. And then I have a spray bottle.
What's in the spray bottle?
Water. Okay, so now I'm going to color my flower. You can color your flower however you like. There. Now, you could, honestly, you could just leave it without spraying it. And let's do a little squirt, but you get kind of a tie-dyed look when you spray it. Once your piece is all done, you'll need like a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And then you'll just need some green for the corner, and it doesn't have to be exact. I just lined it up. I'm going to take the ruler and I'm going to draw a line. Draw a line. I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to just make some little slits, make it look like brass blades. That will go there, but we're not going to glue that down yet. So we can get that done and put out of the way. You can use pipe cleaners for the stems if you want, or if you don't have pipe cleaners, I have some ribbon. You can use ribbon too. So, and then before I glue it down, I'm just going to place this here. And it can go a little off the edge of the paper too, if your flower is quite large. Just kind of arrange them how you'd like. That will determine where your stem kind of goes to. You can use regular Elmer's glue or a craft stick glue if you have it. And so I kind of like that spot, so I'm just going to put these up, stick these together. Then I'm going to carefully put some glue on my stem. couple more flowers I did. I can do these. I'm going to make stems for my smaller little pieces. And I'm just going to glue this down. There, now I have my leaf. I'm going to add it to the flower. You can play with it, see where you want it to go. So there's that part. Now I'm going to a little grass in the corner. Now I'm going to use a pom-pom for the center of my flower. I use hot glue for that because it sticks better. You can also use buttons for the center. I use a button there. You can add some dots to your background.